Our knowledge in kitchen appliance repair is over 35 years of experience. With ATL Agile Repair, you'll receive the best service and support. ATL Agile Repair is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At ATL Agile Repair, our goal is to stand out above the other appliance repair companies. We strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We'll work with you and your schedule to complete your repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call ATL Agile Repair. You can now place your service request online or check your job status on our website.